Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cement is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Limestone and clay are proportioned precisely, ensuring the final product achieves optimal strength and durability for long-lasting construction.
Reactor core temperature is stabilizing. Keep an eye on the dilithium matrix.
Understood. All levels returning to nominal.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how cement is made at Joe, from start to finish.
At the heart of industry, steel provides the backbone for progress.